Hi, my name is Yamaç. I'm the RV executive chef and my wife Sue.
Hello guys and welcome to the RV Exec Chef, and hopefully we're going to turn you into your very own RV Exec Chef. And how are we going to do that? Well, Yamaç, you've got years of experience as an exec chef.
National, international.
National and
Lots
international,
of restaurant, hotels, food truck, restaurants.
We had a restaurant, didn't we? We had a food truck, very successful. So we're going to try and get across to you all the recipes that we used and all that great tasting stuff. And we're going to try and make it easy as well, aren't we?
Very easy, because we are cooking in the RV. We have to be easy.
We're going to make it easy for you to create all these dishes, and it's going to be great. And if you want to know, would like to know a bit more about us, visit our blog, rvexecchef.com, and you can find out all about how we ended up in an RV, how we went from the corporate life to our own business to in an RV.